Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? What's going on? Welcome back. It's your boy Lando, and I am the Lando. But check this out. This was supposed to be a you see me, I'm in my workout attire, right? Workout attire. This was supposed to be a workout video, but it's not. It's not gonna be a workout video. It's actually gonna be. See, I'm literally in my driveway. It's actually gonna be a work video. I got a call that a specific stop need to be picked up, but the crazy part is it's like 4 hours away. So I gotta drive, go get my truck. Then once I drive, go get my truck, then I gotta drive up to Tampa. So I gotta go to Miami, which is about 25 minutes from where I am. Go to Miami, then go get my truck, drive another 4 hours, go get it. Hopefully it's not too late. So I'm actually about to make a call to them right now, because I don't even know if the guy know I'm going to be late. Well, it's not originally my pickup, but you know, I'm pretty cool with them over there. So yep, that's what it is, guys. Let's see if they pick up. I getting live. I don't know if he worked today. Actually, he might not work today. Oh no, Anthony, you in your bed? Who worked today? Is it Ishmael? All right. Let me call Ishmael. Going back to sleep, man. I'm sorry about that. All right, enjoy the nap. I'm real cool with them, by the way, guys.
The wireless customer you are calling is not available. Please try again later. El cliente de servicio móvil al que llama no se...
Somebody pay their phone bill. Well, I do have a group chat with them, so I just text them, let them know I'll be a little late. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm about to go grab something to eat. Actually, I was supposed to be doing a raw fruit diet this week, raw diet, period. But I really was doing it for my wife, because I did mine last week, so I'm doing it with her. But I'm going to go ahead and get me something to eat right now, and then for the rest of the day, I'm going raw. You feed me? That's that, y'all. I'm about to go get something to eat, though. I'm not about, nope, get something to eat right now. You feel me? Hold on. Ishmael. What's going on? Hello? Hello? Oh, it must be bad service then. I can't hear nothing. I'll text you. It must have bad service, because she literally just called me back. I just sent him a text letting him know I'm on my way. Hello? Hola. I'm just gonna text you. I'll text you. Cause your signal is horrible. Pick up.
Well, they don't. You guys don't go pick up on Friday?
I don't know. That's what. They just called me and told me that you guys have a pickup today. I'm home in Miami, so I'm just driving out my driveway. So it's gonna be like 3 o'clock.
Okay, so Monday.
Today.
Monday's gonna be there.
Oh, Mandy. Oh, you're not there?
I'm here, but I'm leaving at 4:30.
Oh, gotcha. All right. Well, I'll be there. Well, prep her.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Heard that? Yeah. So that's what it is, guys. I'm gonna drive to Miami. No. I'm gonna drive. Go get me something to eat first. You know, some good Jamaican food out here. I'm in my workout attire, by the way. Like, I don't even have on work attire, but by the time I get to work, I'm gonna clean it up, you know, stuff. All right, people, I'm in my little breakfast spot, about to grab something to eat before I hit the road. Let me show y'all. Look like they in renovation mode or something. Nah, they building on. They extending. It's gonna be a restaurant, big restaurant. I see Golden Crust. Don't sleep on it. So, my favorite breakfast spot in the city. You know what I mean? That's it, got my food. Some good food, just get some callaloo one. Yeah man, dumpling and things, you know. You try to stay away from the carbs still, you know, but you know, you can't just go in there and not get. I really want some ackee and sausage. I said, no, chill out, man. Chill. I got some porridge also. This for the day. This all I'm eating for the day. This is dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But that's what it is, y'all. About to head to work. I'm on the clock already. Okay, what they say. I'm on the clock. Lunch break. Nah. So people, I got this like peanut, banana, and oats porridge. All of my Jamaicans, you know what's going on. I used to get cornmeal. I'm very specific with what I want, but do say, yo, this better. You see, they ain't porridge, you can call them strong back too. From my eyes, you know what I'm talking about. It is good. They ain't something that make you breathe that girl, you know. That's what island folks say. These type of drinks is almost like an aphrodisiac. It make your swimming stronger, if you know what I mean. This ain't no food review. It's my spot. I know the food good. It's my best breakfast spot. I'm not gonna say all Golden Crust, but this one, Bombay. I've been to a few. I ain't gonna say a few. I've been to other ones back. Saying it. But this one specifically, breakfast hidden. Like you see, when it comes down to Jamaican food, for me guys, I have each spot where I buy a specific thing that I feel like they specialize. I might go over here. Kingfish, this spot right here to me, certain spot, bomb that rice, bomb this, cause I don't eat seafood anyways. That spot they steam fish, and fish tea. It depends, but no, let me stop talking. I gotta go to work, y'all. Hey, y'all keep talking to me. If you know, you know. So I'm trying to keep it healthy for the most part. The callaloo, great for you. Great source of iron and all that good stuff, better than spinach and all that. Saltfish, yeah. Sweet potato, you know. I got one dumpling tucked under there. Really, I'm supposed to eat this dumpling right now because this is part of my diet for this month. But the month done today. Go back, go in. What you know about driving and eating? All my truckers, they know about it. We specialize in driving and eating. See? I'm at stoplight, y'all. Just to let y'all know, I'm at the stoplight. Active! We active, y'all. We on our way. About to get this money. It's a short week anyways, 4th of July week, so you know, go ahead and get it, man. Usually, I listen. When I'm off, I'm not going in. Money is not everything to me. That's the piece with me right now. My riches do not reside with actual finance. My riches reside with my spirit, my family, just, you know what I mean? Peace. Oh yeah, look over there. To the east. American Bank Arena. If you know anything about hockey, right? Those are the champions, South Florida champions. You know, the Florida Panthers. I don't even know how good you can see it, but those are the hockey champions 2 years in a row. You see it over there. Yeah. So shout out to the Florida Panthers. Big up yourself. But yeah, we active today, baby. There you go. That's the arena right there. I went to that arena when I was in like 4th grade when they just opened it. Before it was even grand, it was the grand open, I guess. It was a field trip. So yeah, it's been around a long time. I'm giving y'all a little view, man. Shout out to them. Okay, Marco Antonio gonna be there October 2nd. You see that? Hey, Panthers, big up yourself. You know what it is. We about to go to work though. We're going to work. You know what I mean? Ew. You know what? We'll check my video. Alright guys, you know pre-trip is a must. We'll check the Freon. See, it's at the minimum line for sure. We're gonna at least do the basic. We're gonna check the oil, of course. We're gonna I'll cut out that. Anybody know this girl? You about to be famous. Well, yeah.
Yeah. So talking about when it's about Angel, remember Rashina, she linked me, I think it was like day before yesterday, day before yesterday, yeah, it was Saturday. Yeah.
Who link you? Yeah. Yeah, more than I know that. Yes, people, we active, right? So this is another thing about trucking, man. Sometimes you just gotta get up and get it, man. I really and truly, I didn't plan on doing nothing today. I was literally on my way to the gym, but then I got that phone call. Like, pretty much I'm helping out somebody, but I know this vendor, and I know this location. I've been there a few times. I'm pretty cool with them, as you can see. I called a few the carriers, the contacts there, you know. So it's 4 hours away, but it's all good, man. You know, I don't know. It's something about this drive. Sometimes, man, it's just so peaceful. Like, it's peaceful to me. So, like, sometimes I just drive and I don't turn no music on, no nothing. It's some of the most peaceful times where you really get clarity, man. Like, especially like early in the AM when it's like dark. Sometimes it's so peaceful. Your brain really get to go there. You need that. I feel like you really need that. Honestly, it's needed. You really need that. So, yeah, man. Like right now, I don't have any music on. I was on the phone with my sister. Latina, big up yourself. You know what it is. But yeah, man, I'm headed up 75. I head to Tampa. I'll be there in 4 hours. Quick pickup. Am I going home tonight? Because once I go to Tampa, I gotta drop it off in Tampa Central, in Orlando area. Then I don't know if I have no drive time to make it back home. So there's a pretty good chance I'm spending the night up that way, right? But I have a pickup tomorrow in Miami. I know that. That's usually one of my first stops for the week. That's what it is, though, guys. We out here, active, on the road again. GPS. I don't have a trucker GPS because we don't really go too far. Florida don't really need it. But where the GPS brought me, the route it brought me, I don't know the area where I'm going. It's a lot of no trucker area. So now I just had to make a big U-turn in like a small street, but I made it happen though. But I gotta find out. I'm seeing where I need to go, but all the area around it is like no truck can't go there. I'm usually on the other side, and I don't really know how to get on the other side. So right now I'm just cruising, trying to figure out. Excuse me, how the heck I'm gonna get there? This is some bull crap. I'm used to coming in from the other side. This side I came in from, I don't usually drive this way. I don't know, all I'm seeing is no truck signs. That's all I'm seeing. Look, it's a truck driver right here. I'm sure he's going through the same thing I'm going through. He's trying to figure out how to get where you can see the building, but all the signs says no truck. I'm like, come on, bro. Give me a sign that say go that way. All truckers go that way. Why they can't do that? Is that too hard? No truckers. They're like, bro, give me a sign that says truckers go that way. Gosh. I'm trying to figure it out, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out, though. You know, that's what we do. These are things that we go through as truckers, y'all. These are the things that we go through. I'm in the neighborhood like that. The houses, you can see the houses. I will figure out how to get over there. Well, we're gonna tap in a second, though. Figured it out. I'm looking at the map. Dang, well, it sucks. Well, when trucks used to have real maps back in the days, I can imagine, man. Like, yo, you gotta be like, gosh, I think I know what I'm about to do. I see a road. They want me to go there. I'm gonna go there. Okay, I'm gonna make a left instead of making a right. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. Oh, I hope I know what I'm doing. Look, it's nothing but signs. Like, cause they know truckers gonna come down here. It's a trucking area, but on these back streets, I guess they don't want any trucks not back here. It makes sense. This is residential, somewhat. One minute time. I was right here. So where the heck did I come from? Hold up. Oh, I was right here. I don't know which road I came off of then. This is where I'm going. Must have made a right here. Didn't even realize where I was at. I was right. This is the main road I'm used to. Man. I made it, y'all. I made it.
While we're connecting you with an agent.
It's a wait today. And just as a reminder, have a safety vest on as well, so the speed limit. Are you delivering a load or is this empty?
I'm picking up a live load.
Thank you. 1 second. I just make sure you have a safety vest on and go to speed limit. I am not sure what doctor that you will go to see.
I know where.
The non-inventory there. Do you know where they're at?
I know where to go.
Okay. Thank you. And your trailer is a 53-foot, right?
Correct.
Alrighty. Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you as well. ain't gonna lie to y'all. Shalom Sha. Y'all seen on that? This took a minute. Cause usually I get help, but the chick that was there today, I'm gonna talk about her when I'm gonna talk about her. She ain't really helping. The other people that be there, they help me. She ain't help me, y'all. She didn't help your boy, but it's all good though. We ain't tripping. About to go drop this off. Got like an hour and a half drive. Get it in the truck. Let me get in the truck. So I got like an hour and a half drive, right? Drop this off. Started fairly late. Let me see what my clock say. Can I make it home? What y'all think? What y'all think I'm gonna do? Let's make a bet on it. What y'all think I'm gonna do? Y'all think I'm just gonna call it a night? I'm gonna attempt to go home. Total on shift is 6 hours. Yeah, I ain't gonna have enough drive time because I'm gonna take an hour and a half off that. You know what I'm saying? So that's like 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours I can make it home actually. But everything gotta go perfect. Nah, I ain't gonna be able because I gotta add some supplies on here. Yeah. We'll see. Maybe there's not gonna be any truck stop that's safe to park at. I might have to go. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. If you know, you know. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Even if you did, somebody asking, what are you talking about? Those who was in tune is in tune. So I was just joking. I don't play around like that. But let me go get up out of here, man. It's rush hour right now. What time is it? 5:40. Drive the trailer right over there, y'all.
You can scream as loud as you want, loud as you can.
I'm picking up a new trailer. Let me get this tripod right. Picking up a new trailer. Make sure y'all can see me. If y'all with me on this job, we did this job together. See that? You gotta get it in there a little bit more. Cause you never know. You pick up a trailer, hook up, and then mess around. This trailer is loaded. It's empty, but it's dirty. Very dirty. I gotta sweep this out before I put stuff on it. Presentation and everything, right? Now I'm just about to just lift up the landing gear and we good. Yeah? Make sure y'all can see. Y'all with me on this one? Can y'all see what's going on? Right, yes, people. Appreciate y'all for spending the day with me, man. We're just gonna wrap it up right here. Appreciate y'all for spending the day with me. It definitely was a long day, as you can see. It's about 7 o'clock right now. I left my house at like 8:30. So yeah, it was a long day. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna load up this trailer, prepare for my tomorrow stop. Cause tomorrow I have to head back down. Usually I don't start until Tuesday. You know, it's 4th of July week. Friday we off, right? I might as well rack it up. Yeah, I get paid for Friday too. So that's the thing when you work for a company. I like that part right there. You make more money when you own or operate. I feel like I'm best of both worlds right now. But that's what it is, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all go watch that other video. I just dropped a video a couple days ago, man. Y'all go watch that video. You know, but it's your boy Lando, man. I am. Oh, man, no. Make sure you share this with somebody. Hopefully I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the journey. I enjoyed y'all ride with me. Y'all kept me company. I really enjoyed it, guys. Until the next video, I'm out.